In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and properly remove the side mirror on a BMW E65. At first, it may look like a simple job, but there is one important thing you need to know before starting. To remove the mirror, we first need to remove the door panel because the mirror's electrical wiring and connector are located behind the panel. If you haven't removed the door panel before, I'll leave a link at the top of the video where you can see the complete process step by step. Once the door panel is removed, we can continue with the mirror removal. Now that the door panel is off, we need to access the mirror mounting area. First, we need to remove this plastic cover. Simply pull it carefully toward you and release the plastic clips one by one. Take your time here and avoid using too much force because you don't want to break the clips or damage the plastic cover. Once the plastic cover is removed, you'll have access to the mirror mounting bolts. Here you can see two bolts with star-shaped heads. However, before removing the mirror completely, we also need to disconnect the electrical connector. As you can see, the mirror wiring is connected to this module. To disconnect it, simply press down on the locking tab and carefully release the connector from the module. Once the connector is disconnected, the electrical wiring is free and we can move on to removing the mounting bolts. Now we can start removing the bolts. First, loosen and remove these two bolts. But keep in mind that there is another mounting bolt located lower down. This bolt also needs to be removed. There is also one more bolt positioned slightly out of sight, so make sure you carefully check the entire mounting area and remove it as well. Once all three mounting bolts have been removed and the electrical connector is disconnected, the side mirror can now be safely removed from the vehicle. Make sure you support the mirror with your hand from the outside of the door while removing the final bolt, so the mirror doesn't suddenly fall. And that's it! As you can see, removing the side mirror on the BMW E65 is not too difficult. The most important thing is to remove the door panel first, disconnect the electrical connector carefully, and make sure all three mounting bolts have been removed.